Okay, so this is Skoda Octavia. This is 2020, but it's Skoda Octavia 4. I need to disassemble this vent. There's no any videos on the internet how to do that. I think I found one, but the dude didn't show anything. So I got a new vent here because this thing is messed up. It's broken, and you cannot buy one thing like that. You have to buy the whole vent. I'm not going to buy it from Skoda because this is Chinese. I already put the sticker from this one because I already disassembled it. So on the left hand side and right hand side you got something like that. And look, it's a Skoda logo. They just scratch it off. So it's from the factory, and Jesus Christ, I bought it on AliExpress. Anyways, on the left hand side here, I don't know if it will be shown. I already did that. So it's very hard, that's for sure. You have to pull here and a little bit lower. Let me show you. Oh shit, here you have to pull towards you. Okay, so when you pull this, you see, oh sorry about that, you see it went out, and you have to pull on the other hand as well, and it's out, for fuck's sake. And you have to watch out because sometimes everything is here. Yes, sometimes the thing is the yellow ones, the one popped out, so I had to find it. And yeah, so this is how you disassemble the goddamn thing, which I couldn't find on the internet. Apparently I had to do it myself, and this is some shitty Chinese, really shitty Chinese tool to get those things. And this is the same thing, it's a new one. So put in the new one, hopefully it fits. Hopefully. It's not that easy, that's for sure. Sorry, I'm not recording myself, I'm just looking. Let me just check just in case if it's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. The length, yeah, everything is the same. Sorry, everything is the same. Looks the same. The difference is this, that I have this hole and this thing doesn't matter. Still works as a vent. Just put it inside. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I'm not very good auto guy. So if you're shitty with cars, you probably can do it yourself. Yay! And you have to push it inside. There it is. It's pushed. It's nice. And the vents are working. Yay! And the old one, I don't know if that's gonna be here. The old one, the left one, just broke off here. I don't know if you can see it, but it should be like here with the clap. It's not, so it's broken, and you literally cannot replace just a small thing, which is dumb because apparently Skoda, we are living in Europe. I do, and apparently you're pro ecology, whatever. So why do I have to buy the whole goddamn thing if this would cost me like 10% of this, and it would be probably, it should be easier to replace. Just make the thing that so you can replace this stuff. Stop being greedy, motherfuckers, okay? And start being pro eco whatever. You're from Europe. You're from Czech. Come on, guys. The Czech guys are amazing, and the Skoda is fucking greedy because they are apparently German right now. I don't know, a VAC, whatever. Anyways, yeah, this is how you disassemble it, and sorry for ranting. Bye.